Hi, I'm Victor Gonzalez. I'm the Director of Support Services and Alliances at the Lymphoma Research Foundation. The Lymphoma Research Foundation offers a variety of programs specifically for patients, including our largest annual conference, the North American Educational Forum. This is a 2.5-day program that takes place every fall and provides an opportunity for patients to come in and learn from top lymphoma experts about the latest on their disease. We have a variety of breakout sessions on different lymphoma subtypes, as well as different supportive care topics, so they can really get a full breadth of knowledge about what their situation might be and learn about different treatment options, clinical trials, and how to best navigate their own specific situations. At the more local level, we also have the lymphoma workshops. These are similar in format to the educational forum, take place over one day, and we have a variety of those around the country throughout the year. For those who are looking for a more shorter program, we also have our Ask the Doctor programs. These are fully virtual programs that are targeted specifically for either newly diagnosed patients, relapse refractory patients, those who are looking specifically for clinical trials and treatment options, as well as Spanish-speaking Ask the Doctor programs. And these are about 2.5-hour programs that are repeated quarterly throughout the year. And finally, we also have webinars. These are hour-long programs that are led by lymphoma experts with extensive Q&A at the end of the program that cover a variety of different topics, including special topics on different lymphoma subtypes or treatment modalities. LRF has a comprehensive suite of support services specifically for patients, including our LRF helpline. This is a service where master's level trained staff can provide information about all lymphoma subtypes to patients, as well as information on treatment options and clinical trials. And we can connect patients with different resources depending on whatever their needs might be. We also have a peer support program called the Lymphoma Support Network, where we can match patients with others who have been through a similar experience. And for patients who are looking for information on clinical trials, we also have our Clinical Trials Information Service, where we can provide trial navigation for patients so we can connect them with studies that may be taking place in their local area. And we also have a wide and extensive library of publications, including disease guides on non-Hodgkin lymphoma, Hodgkin lymphoma, and CLL, SLL, as well as a guide on cellular therapy. And we have a variety of fact sheets on the most common lymphoma subtypes, different treatment options, and supportive care topics. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the lymphoma and CLL community, and LRF is doing the best it can to make sure that we're keeping patients up to date on what they should know specific to the pandemic and what they should be asking their doctors in terms of vaccination, treatment, and protective measures. In addition, we've convened an expert COVID-19 panel where we are learning the latest about what patients should know and sharing that information specifically to the lymphoma community. We've also developed COVID-19 programming as well as COVID-19 publications to make sure that patients have information that they need at the ready. I suggest that patients connect to the Lymphoma Research Foundation for a variety of reasons, including number one, learning about your situation and being an active participant in your care. I think that the more knowledgeable a patient is about their treatments as well as their disease, the better decisions they can make to improve their outcomes. And I also feel that being part of a broader community helps patients from an emotional standpoint as well, being able to connect with others and really understand that you are not alone.